What's up guys? Today I've got my hands on the ABXYLUTE One Pro. This is a new Android handheld featuring capacitive digital joysticks and powered by a brand new Mediatek processor. So I'm quite excited to see how this one performs. We will be testing various games from different systems, from mainstream Android games to game streaming and some retro emulation too. But first of all, roll the intro. Now if we talk about price, you can pick up the ABXYLUTE One Pro for around £189. So the price seems reasonable, but we will find out very shortly if it's actually worth the price. Now inside the box you will find a user manual, a USB-A to USB-C charging cable, and the ABXYLUTE One Pro console itself. Now the design is quite nice. The console is slim and light at only 430 grams, and the color is transparent black. Console feels nice in the hands, and you have slightly raised textured grips on the back. The joysticks are unique, and the company are calling it the world's first capacitive digital joysticks in a gaming handheld. So in simple terms, a capacitive digital joystick is like a joystick that senses your touch and movement without any rubbing parts inside. It's similar to the touchscreen on your phone. This makes it more durable and prevents a common problem called stick drift, with advantages like high accuracy, fast input, lower dead zones, and increased resolution. We have a nice sized D-pad which feels pretty good. At the top you can see start and select, and at the bottom we have our home and game button. On either side we have dual speaker grills, so up firing speakers. We have the XYBA button layout. Up on top we have Hall effect triggers and our shoulder buttons. In between you can see volume rocker and power button. At the bottom we have a Type-C charging port, which does also support Type-C display out for some big screen gaming. We've also got a 3.5mm headphone jack right next to it, and a microSD card slot supporting up to 2TB cards. Now let's talk about that display. So we have a 7-inch IPS LCD display supporting 60Hz refresh and a screen resolution of 1920 by 1080, giving you 500 nits of peak brightness and 103.4% sRGB color space. So a large capacity touchscreen display, and the colors do look pretty nice. Brightness is more than adequate for indoor use, but if you step outside in direct sunlight, the screen visibility will be vastly reduced. Now if we talk about performance, the ABXYLUTE One Pro is powered by the new Mediatek Genio 510, which is built on a 6nm process with 6 cores and clocked up to 2 GHz. And for graphics, we have the integrated Mali G57. This also has 4 GB of LPDDR4 RAM along with 64 GB of eMMC internal storage. Now, in case you're wondering, you do get custom Android 13 pre-installed with Play Store and Google Apps already included, giving you access to all your favorite games and apps from the Play Store. The OS is easy to navigate with an icon layout at the bottom, and navigating the menus feels smooth and intuitive. Now you can play a wide range of games on this console, from native Android games to AAA games via game streaming or even retro emulation games. So now I'm going to play a whole bunch of games to show you what this thing can do. So there you have it, guys. That was the ABXYLUTE One Pro. Now this is quite a substantial upgrade from their previous streaming only handheld. This one comes with a more powerful chipset, the joysticks are full size and they are capacitive joysticks. The OS has a sleeker, almost console-like interface, and the doors are wide open with this one. You've got full Android OS. The ABXYLUTE One Pro can do more than just game streaming. It can play native Android games in medium to high settings. You can play or stream your AAA games and play your favorite retro games like PS2 with upscaled resolution. The ergonomics are great, display has nice colors and contrast, and does also support display out for some big screen gaming action. Speaker quality is top notch, loud and clear with no distortion. And if we talk about the battery life, depending on what you are playing, you can achieve up to 8 hours from that 5200 mAh battery. The chipset offers a very decent overall performance and everything I tested ran super smooth with no stutters or issue. Also, no support for Wi-Fi 6 or Wi-Fi 7. If it did, it would have offered even better low latency for game streaming. Furthermore, I did not experience any overheating issues or instabilities. Everything worked as it should. So bottom line, the ABXYLUTE One Pro is an exciting upgrade from their last gen console and ticks nearly all the boxes. For the price, this offers pretty good value, beautiful screen and a solid battery life. So that concludes this video and I hope you found it useful. If you want to see more of my latest and greatest unbiased tech reviews, hit the like button, sub to the channel and hit the bell icon. Thank you so much for watching and I'll catch you all in the next one. Peace.